Hello students, welcome back in Moral Science class. I am Shweta Sharma and I will be teaching you Moral Science to grade 3. Children, you know the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic is the defining global health crisis to our time. We have now reached the tragic milestone of more than 2 million deaths. And the human family is suffering under an almost intolerable burden of loss. As we all know, corona is trying to respread in India, and in this case, Punjab stands second in the whole of India. Due to this, online classes have started again, and you will be taught online further. So, children, first of all, I will introduce the syllabus of moral science. So, note down the syllabus of Unit 1. There will be two chapters in Unit 1. First is the value of prayer, and the second, have good friends. These two units will be the part of your UT1 syllabus. Okay, so now let's start Unit 1. Take out page number 5, everyone. The title of the unit is The Value of Prayer. To pray means to offer your thoughts and feelings before God, the Creator. All the religions teach us the importance of prayer. Whatever may be the religion we believe in, it is nice to spend a little time for prayer every day. So children, what do you learn from these lines? These lines tells us that we should spend some time for our prayers. You must do the prayer evening or in the morning too. So here one flower is created, and in this flower the names are written of the different religions. These are Buddhism, Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Judaism, Jainism. So these names are of different religions. See, there is one flower. There are petals, but that are also joined with the flowers. Same way, these are the different names of religions, but they give us the one lesson. What is that lesson? That is, God is one. Means the ways are different of worship, but although God is one. See, it is written the flower of religious unity. It means that all religions are same and they give us the one message only. Now come on, the prayer of students. Let's read the prayer with me. O God, our Creator, we thank you for everything. Thank you for this life. Thank you for this beautiful word. Thank you for loving parents. Thank you for caring teachers. Thank you for good friends. O God, help us in all our efforts. Help us to be good in character. Help us to be wise in decisions. Help us to be strong in difficulties. Help us to be excellent in studies. Help us to be successful in life. O God, guide us all through the life. Guide us when we are confused. Guide us when we are weak. Guide us when we are in fear. guide us when we are ignorant, guide us from darkness to light. Children, this was the prayer of students. You also must learn this prayer and follow this prayer. In this prayer, in the first paragraph, you learn that you should be thankful to God for all that He has given us. And in the second paragraph, we ask Him for God in all our good and bad deeds. And in the third paragraph, we ask Him to guide us in times of difficulties or when we feel lows. So children, now your homework time, that you will find out the question answers, true, false and fill-ups on the page number 7. Okay, in the next video I will make you write the question answers, true, false and the fill-ups. So beta, in this pandemic you should take care of your health. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Take care students. Goodbye.